Looking for the best gel nail polish? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 gel nail polish on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Azure Beauty Gel Nail Polish Set Summer Rainbow Colors. Bold, opaque colors that can last weeks with proper application. Make nails thick and strong, resistant to chips and breakage. A good lower-priced alternative to luxury brands. Results like professional salon. Brushes on smoothly despite its thick consistency. Create trendy manicures at home with these bright colors that give a fun, youthful look to your nails. Bottles are smaller and polish may smell odd. Dry time may be long. These bright colors aren't for those who prefer a natural, neutral look. 3 coats may be needed for full coverage. At number 2. Beetles Boujee Glitter Gel Polish Set 6-piece set. 6 gel nail polishes that are infused with glitter for dramatic manicures that are perfect for evening wear or special occasions. Finish is shiny when cured properly. Colors are also bold and pretty. Affordable option that doubles as an ideal beginner set. Pick these gel nail polishes if you want to make a statement with the combination of glitter and vibrant colors. You have to buy an LED lamp and base and top coats separately. The claim of 21 days of wear is questionable. At number 1. Jellon 16 Color Gel Collection Kit. Comes with full-size top and base coat bottles. Shades are high pigment and won't chip or fade for up to 21 days. Ingredients are low odor, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. Polish cures well with most lamps. Whereas say the polish has a salon quality finish. A well-rounded assortment that includes professional, subdued neutral shades as well as a few bolder options. Some colors were extremely streaky, as were the base and top coats. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.